In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset ERPNext. Whether you're looking to start fresh or need to reset your system for any reason, I'll guide you through the simple process of resetting your ERPNext installation on Frappe Cloud. Let's dive right in and make sure you know exactly what to do. First, you'll need to navigate to your Frappe Cloud dashboard. This is where you'll find all your site management tools conveniently located. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to locate and select the site you want to reset. It's crucial to ensure you are working with the correct site, as resetting will erase all current data and bring your ERPNext system back to its initial setup configuration. After you've selected your site, head over to the Actions menu. This is where you'll find several options for managing your site. What you're looking for is the Dangerous Actions section. This aptly named section contains the option to reset your site. And as the name suggests, it's an action that should be taken with caution. Once you click on Dangerous Actions, look for the option to Reset Site. When you select this option, it's important to understand what will happen next. This reset will clear the database entirely and remove all data associated with your site. Essentially, this action will return your ERPNext installation to a brand new state, as if you've just installed it for the first time. So, before proceeding, make sure this is really what you want to do. The next step requires some confirmation. You'll need to enter the full name of the site you are resetting. This is a necessary step to ensure that no accidental resets happen, as entering the site name serves as a final confirmation that you intend to proceed with this action. Once you've entered the site name and confirmed the reset, keep an eye out for the notification that indicates Site Reset Initiated. This notification lets you know that the process is underway. It's a reminder to double-check that everything is as it should be. The reset process will take a little time, and once it's complete, you'll be able to log back into your ERPNext site. When you do log in, you'll be greeted by the Setup Wizard. This Setup Wizard signals that your site is now in its default state, as if it's a brand new installation. From here, you can start configuring your system anew. And that's it. You've successfully reset your ERPNext site on Frappe Cloud. Make sure to reconfigure and back up any important data properly to avoid needing to reset frequently. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful.